What is a contract? A contract is a legally binding agreement. Agreement as a result of an offer and an acceptance. But there are a number of other requirements that must be satisfied for an agreement to be legally binding. According to the Oxford Dictionary of Law, the following requirements are necessary for a document to be legally binding or for an agreement to be legally binding. First of all, there must be consideration. Second, the parties must have an intention to create legal relations. Third, the parties must have capacity to contract. Fourth, the agreement must comply with any formal legal requirements. Fifth, the agreement must be legal. Sixth, the agreement must not be rendered void either by some common law or statutory rule or by some inherent defect such as operative mistake. So, what is an offer? An offer is an invitation to trade, which, when accepted, forms a legally binding contract. On the other hand, an acceptance is an agreement of the terms of an offer, provided the requirement converts an offer into a legally binding contract.